Hi, my name is Olobisi Kadri, and this is my web server Spring 3 titled Streamline Blog. Um, my Spring 3 achievements were delete news, upload images, about us page, and contact us page. As a registered user, I want to be able to post images pertaining to the news being posted so that it can attract readers. There's an upload button for users to upload images. Uploaded image will be available on registered user page. Uploaded image will be available on unregistered user page. Uploaded image will reflect in database. So I'm going to try to upload an image right now. And let's see. So post news, choose an image. Let's say, just pick this image. And I'll just try and put a title. I'm going to submit this. And as you can see, this is what I just added. And it's also reflecting the database. So let's go to the database. I'm going to refresh. As you can see, it's been added to the database as well. So let's go to the next one. As an admin, I want to be able to delete news so that there won't be irrelevant news posted. There's a button for admin to delete news. Admin can click delete news. Deleted news will reflect in the database as well. So let's go to our web. Just gonna minimize this. And so this is the admin page. So I'm gonna click view and delete so I can see this is there. So I can delete it. As you can see, it's been deleted. And I'm gonna also check the database. I'm gonna refresh. It's been deleted from the database as well. So okay. Let's go to the next one. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to click contact us from the home page so that I can fill necessary information. So let's go to, I'm gonna go to the home page. Gonna make this bigger. So contact us. So this is the contact us page. There's a button there's a button for contact us on the contact us page. There's a placeholder for name on the contact us page, and there's a placeholder for email on the contact us page, and there's a placeholder for the message on the contact us page. And user must fill out all the fields. So let's say I want to just put my name like this and I click submit. It's going to say please fill out this field. If I put this, it's going to say please fill out this field. So all fields are equally important. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to click contact us from the home page so I can fill necessary information. Oh, sorry, it's the wrong one. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to contact the web owner so I can lodge my complaint or feedback. When user clicks submit, the web owner receives an email. So I'm going to just put my name. Let's just put my name and my email address. And I'll just put like a random message. This web is awesome. So let's just put this, and I'm going to click submit. So it takes me back to the home page whenever I click submit. So it's going to contact the web owner or the web officials. So this is new message. So it says olabisikadri@yahoo.com says this web is awesome and attractive. So it just comes back and, tell me whatever the person said. So this is what I said, and it says it in the message. So the email has the image sent, so everything works. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to see details about the website I'm visiting so that I can be informed. User can click about us to view the web. User can see pictures and text. About is attractive to entice user to read. So I'm gonna goes back to I'm gonna make this bigger and resource, and this is the about us page, so it's kind of attractive for users to read. It has the about us, it has an image, and it has a text. So, and